Hey there! If you're over 60, this message is for you. Right now, your body is at a turning point. It can either drift into stiffness, fatigue, and weakness, or it can move towards strength, energy, and vitality. The best part? It all comes down to what you do daily. And here's the exciting news. You don't need expensive gym equipment or exhausting workouts. Just 4 simple bodyweight moves can transform your body, boost your energy, and help you feel younger than ever. Science backs it up, and I'll walk you through every step. Stick around till the end. These moves could truly change your future. 1. Push UPS. Build upper body strength and bone health. Push-ups aren't just for the young and ripped. They're a total body classic that targets your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core, helping you build real strength and stability. As we age, maintaining muscle is key for metabolism and fat burning, even while resting. Plus, push-ups have a hidden bonus. They help improve bone density, a major factor in avoiding osteoporosis. Research from Harvard even shows that older adults who can do more push-ups tend to have lower risk of heart disease. It's not just about strength. It's about protecting your health. How to do it? Start with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest slowly in a controlled motion, then push back up with strength. Too challenging? No problem. Start on your knees or try incline push-ups against a wall. Just a few reps a day can make a big difference. 2. Walking. Boost mood, burn fat, and strengthen the heart. It might sound basic, but walking is a powerhouse for people over 60. Just 30 minutes a day can reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 35%. It also eases joint stiffness, improves circulation, and lifts your mood naturally. Walking boosts brain health, reduces stress, and helps keep that midsection in check. It's low impact, easy to start, and incredibly effective. Pro tip: aim for 6,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Walk at a steady pace, keep your shoulders back, and swing your arms with intention. To increase the challenge, add hills or short bursts of faster walking. It's simple, but the results are incredible. 3. Squats. Build leg power and improve balance. Squats are the king of lower body moves. They strengthen your legs, glutes, and core, essential for staying mobile and independent after 60. With age, leg strength can decline, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. Squats fight that decline by boosting balance, coordination, and even triggering the release of growth hormones that help burn fat and maintain muscle. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself like you're sitting in a chair. Hips back, chest up. Drive through your heels to stand tall, keeping your knees in line with your toes. Start with 10 reps a day, and you'll feel your strength increase quickly. 4. Planks. Strengthen your core and protect your back. A strong core isn't just for aesthetics. It's essential for posture, back support, and preventing injuries. Planks engage your entire body, from shoulders to toes, building stability and power in a single move. As we age, core strength protects us from back pain and supports balance, helping prevent falls and slouching. It also helps boost metabolism and reduce stubborn belly fat. How to do it? Begin on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line. Don't let your hips sag or rise. Keep your core tight. Start with 30 seconds and build up to a minute or more. Pro tip: breathe steadily. Never hold your breath. Oxygen fuels your muscles. Why these 4 moves work wonders after 60. These exercises aren't just about getting toned. They're about reclaiming your energy, strength, and quality of life. They help your heart, support your joints, maintain muscle, and keep your metabolism firing. Science shows that regular bodyweight movements reduce inflammation, lower disease risk, and even increase lifespan. So if you're over 60 and want to feel stronger, move better, and live more fully, Skip the complicated routines. Stick with these 4 powerful, proven moves. Your body is ready. Let's make it happen. Add these simple habits to multiply your results. To supercharge the benefits of the above moves, layer in a few simple lifestyle tips. 1. Hydrate like a pro. Muscles and joints need hydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to help with recovery, flexibility, and energy. 2. Stretch daily. Just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching improves flexibility, blood flow, and joint health, especially first thing in the morning or after exercise. 3. Get good sleep. Your body recovers and builds strength while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly to enhance muscle repair and brain function. 4. Eat for strength. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, beans, fish and nuts, and anti-inflammatory choices like leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and olive oil to fuel your workouts and support recovery. 5. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Even short sessions, 5 to 15 minutes a day, done consistently will bring major improvements. The goal is progress, not perfection. If you're over 60 and craving strength, mobility, and that spark of energy, skip the complicated routines. Lean into these 4 simple, powerful moves. Your body's ready to thank you. Let's make it happen.